Welcome to Global Auto Digest, your trusted source for the latest automotive updates. Today, we bring you an exclusive scoop. TVS is gearing up to launch the world's first factory-fitted CNG scooter, the TVS Jupiter CNG, in April 2026. This launch could redefine eco-friendly commuting in India. Why CNG in a scooter? CNG, or compressed natural gas, has already proven its worth in cars and auto rickshaws, but in scooters, it's a new chapter. With rising petrol prices and increasing pollution, TVS aims to offer an affordable, cleaner, and more efficient alternative. The CNG Jupiter promises lower running costs and reduced emissions, making it perfect for urban commuters. Expected design and features. The TVS Jupiter CNG will retain the familiar, comfortable design of the current Jupiter but with some tweaks to accommodate the CNG system. Expect a slightly larger under-seat space adjustment for the CNG cylinder, a dual-fuel indicator, and possibly a hybrid petrol CNG option for extended range. Rumors suggest LED lighting, Bluetooth connectivity, and advanced safety features could be standard. Performance and efficiency. TVS is focusing on balancing performance with economy. While CNG scooters may have slightly lower top speeds compared to petrol variants, the fuel savings could be over 40%. The Jupiter CNG is expected to deliver around 60 to 65 km per kilogram of CNG, making it one of the most cost-effective scooters on the market. Pricing and market impact. Industry insiders predict the TVS Jupiter CNG will be priced competitively, possibly starting from 85,000 rupee to 95,000 rupees ex-showroom. If priced right, it could disrupt the scooter market and push other manufacturers towards alternative fuels. Its success could also speed up India's transition to cleaner mobility solutions. Thanks for watching. Subscriber to Global Auto Digest. See you in the next video.